problem is over. In the name of Jesus. Don't be afraid. Ega. Jidega. Tinyana fe na azu. Ana menyu nega. Wari ake ji abomad. Tinyana afiaga. Onye nwa ga agosige. Obonya. Walega tinyana fe na azu. Jesus will bless you all. Now, Jesus. Welega itinyana fe na azu. Onye nwa ga agosige. Now, Jesus. Kan kusigo deba. Aka na abia. Bikon. It's okay. Lift up your hands in the name of Jesus. I'm coming back and it will be selected. God will not make a mistake. Let me just do a little. I'm coming back again. And when I'm coming back, I may do more than 50 people.